Hi, so I'm Jericho Beoco and I'm taking BSBA Marketing Management. And this activity is entitled as Outdoor Exploration Video Hunt, which students will search for informative videos about outdoor activities, analyze their content, and present their insights on their importance, examples, environmental safety, and precautions. So the first destination. So just have to choose one outfit from the three. But not just the three, but of course the specific one. So I just chose connection with nature since I'm a type of person who really loves nature. Lagi akong take ng sceneries at what we call the landscape photography. As you can check on my Instagram, most of my posts there go about nature. Like one best example that I just captured since ang ganda talaga ng is from yung Sunken Garden sa Bilibid. Dun sa may papuntang Katarungan. Sa may Bilibid Prison. If you go there, yeah. Anyway, so I'll be also discussing the importance of that outdoor activity and also the environment, safety, and precautions when engaging to it. Okay, so let's watch the video. Yeah, I forgot the title. So the title is 5 Factors in Nature Connection that I discussed. This is just a 27 seconds video. And after that, I'll be discussing the main points, which are the important example safety measures, what yung best practices and lessons that I learned, my personal insights or reflections. Hi, so I'm Jericho Beoco and I'm taking BSBA Marketing Management. And this activity is entitled as Outdoor Exploration Video Hunt, which students will search for informative videos about.
Noticing the good things in nature is good for you. Having a connection with nature is proven beneficial to the well-being of both humans and the natural world. But the decline of nature shows us that we need a new relationship, a new approach to engaging with the natural world, and therefore working to preserve it. Nature connectedness describes that relationship. It shows us that it's more than just contact, knowledge, and exposure with the natural world. It's about having a relationship with nature. But how do we go beyond simply engaging with nature? How can we develop a more meaningful and emotional relationship? Take a moment to pause and engage with nature through the senses. Have a listen to the sounds. Touch the bark on the trees, or walk barefoot on the grass. Why not take in a view, or notice how the leaves move in the wind? Try tasting the flavours of nature, and smell the flowers. Harming nature is harming ourselves. Extend the sense of yourself to include nature. What can you do to look after nature and the animals that inhabit it? Form an emotional bond and love for nature. Note the good things in nature, the joy and calm it can bring. Find happiness and wonder, peace and tranquility. Consider what nature means to you. It inspires us to make music or create art, and we can use nature to represent an idea or a feeling, hope, wishes, love, a new beginning. Take time to appreciate the beauty of nature. Engage with the aesthetic qualities, from the smallest of details to the large and grand. Appreciate natural scenery. These 5 steps make up the 5 pathways to nature connection. Nature does not have to be about getting from point A to point B. Instead, stop, pause, engage, and connect.
So yeah, thanks, and we're done watching the video. As you can see on the title itself, the 5 pathways to nature connection. So 5 words yung na-discuss doon. Actually, 4 nga lang eh. Dapat kaya 5. Anyway, so the first one is senses. As we do have the sound, the touch, the sight, the taste, and the smell. So, sa sound, kapag narinig natin yung mga dahon, ano yung hangin na humampas sa dahon, or yung tubig na umalis sa river, or yung mga ibon, everything about it, when you get to listen to it, grabe yung relaxation na feel natin, despite the problems or the stress that we see in our lives. Yeah, so that's for the touch. And of course, the sound pala. So next, yung touch. So, as you can see on the video, nakapaa. Ang sarap sabihin siguro nun, like sa grassland, nakapaa ka, maglalakad ka, medyo kasama sa yung dahon. Ang sarap sabihin nun. Kasi you literal na nararamdaman mo yung nature. With the touch, and next is the sight. Of course, hindi nga naman magiging perfect yung relaxation natin. Like for example, yung mga mountains or yung highlights, or when you're at the top of the mountain, specifically, nakikita mo yung mga puno, yan, horizon. Good. Horizon, dagat, tapos langit, or yung mga puno, yung langit, yung weather, by design, perfect talaga. Grabe ba, 99% of problems becomes 1%. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, the third one is the taste. Of course, yung mga pagkain or the food that we eat, the organic food, especially the vegetables, the fruits, are also food coming from nature, right? Kung wala yun, hindi tayo mabubuhay. Kung wala yung mga pagkain na yun, diba? And also the plants, mga herbal plants, medicinal plants na ginagamit para makapagpagal ng sakit, haba ng buhay, for all the reliable sources natin. Right? And lastly, the smell. Yeah, especially yung mga bulaklak, iba't ibang uri ng bulaklak, so when iba pa rin yung feeling na nakaamoy mo yung mga organic na bulaklak, ano yung mga bagong yung fresh air, diba? So next, guys, is the compassion. Well, according to emotion experts, compassion is the emotion that occurs when you are faced with another person's pain and are inspired to help ease that suffering. Meaning, as a human being, dapat tayo nag-protect sa nature. As I said, we rely on that. Without the nature, is our best friend. We might die. So, we should protect it. We should embrace it. But also, hindi lang tayo dito sa mundo. Kasama natin yung mga animals. So, by protecting nature, we also protect our animals, which will definitely rely on the nature. The wildlife, the ecosystem should be kept safe, right? And yung magsisimula yan, of course, us human beings. Okay? And the third one is meaning, as it says here we can use nature for crafts, artworks, or arts, and things that benefits us. Like for me, since I'm also an artistic person, yeah, I totally agree with that. We can use the nature for artistic things. Yeah, I don't have to explain that. So, and yeah, the last one is the beauty of the nature. Right? We have to protect it. We have to save not just the nature, but the planet that we're living or all over the earth. As the environmental issues, the global warming that is really vital, and it's getting hard. It's getting deeper. Kailangan natin for me, by just a simple discipline like recycle, reuse, that means we're showing love to the nature, right? So this is just the other key points, and let's move on to environmental safety and precautions. So yeah, when it comes to that, actually I just wrote what I wanted to say here. So when preparing to explore nature, let's be practical here. You should be like a map of the area, appropriate clothing for the weather, water, snacks, first aid supplies, a compass or GPS device, a nature journal for recording observations, cameras to capture sites, of course, insect repellent, sunscreen, and any necessary gear, depending on the activity, like hiking boots for trails, while also remembering to respect wildlife, right? And lastly, the environment by following designated paths. Of course, yung mga precautions like bawal ka pumunta sa specific area na to, bawal ka magkalat, pa. Alam mo yun? Alright, so the one last important thing that I wanted to discuss here is about my personal insight or reflection of this outdoor in my life. So, for me, nature reminds me of peace. I actually wrote it here. So I don't have to memorize it. So for me, nature reminds me of peace. This bustle of everyday life. None of us have to come to appreciate the beauty around us. Humans always want better. They are never satisfied with what they have. In this area of chaos, we have forgotten the significance of nature and are often unaware of what it teaches us, as nature tries to be its messages to